Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming week. Obviously, it's a new year, fresh start. I hope we have a great year, guys. I hope we have one of the best years yet, and we keep scaling, we keep growing. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Black Forex Academy channel. In this channel, we do break down currency pairs. I do a weekly breakdown of the currency pairs that I have on my watch list. From now and then, I always do a quick tutorial. Back then, I was doing it more often than nowadays. Maybe I might, get back into it this year. Who knows? But in this particular video, we're going to go over the currency pairs I have on my watch list for this coming week and see what potential trading opportunities we have. Now, with that being said, let's dive right into that. So we're going to start off with JPY-X. As you can see, JPY-X is in a clear downtrend. It's in a clear downtrend. No, how do we say this? No doubt about it. And we can see prices, once they reached there, they failed to break this high and they were rejected. You can see these clear, heavy rejections from here, and then the strong rejections there. Now, I do believe prices will keep on selling on JPY-X as we had this bearish momentum after the rejection, and then we had the bulls kicking, but prices failed to engulf this bearish candlestick. So that means the bears are still in control. And in December, prices closed again bearish. So obviously, I'm looking for more bearish continuations in this particular scenario. Now, if we switch that to the daily time frame, how am I looking at JPY-X? As you can see here, we have a high, we have a low that's lower than the previous low. So it's a lower low, lower high. So I'm actually anticipating to see prices retrace maybe until somewhere here, retrace until this structure, and then come back, break this, and then continue selling off. That's just a quick view on what I'm anticipating to see happen on JPY-X, or rather, I'm expecting to see prices break here, give us a retest, and then continue selling off. So either one, it's okay. When either plays out, it's fine with me. So should prices retrace all the way until here, I'll be looking for sells. The first sell setup here, second sell setup here. Should prices break below here, I'll be looking for this sell setup right here. So that's my view on JPY-X and how I'm anticipating it to play out in these few coming days. Now, how will this be impacting the other currency pairs? We do have Euro JPY. Now, with Euro JPY, it's inversely correlated to JPY-X. So obviously, if JPY-X is bearish, that means Euro JPY will be bullish. If Euro JPY is, or anyways, they're inversely correlated. That's what I'm trying to say. Now you can see with Euro JPY, prices have been ranging. Here we did see prices break above these highs, creating a new high. And then prices created some kind of a higher low here. However, it's still kind of in a range. So I'm not really going to be looking for any particular trade until prices actually break above this structure here, give us a retest. That's when I'll be looking for a continuation. Other than that, I must stay out of the market. This year, no fear of missing out. Wait for the setup to play out, then take the trade. Other than that, guys, I'm not going to be taking the trade. Now, we do have CAD JPY. Okay, nice trade. Now, with CAD JPY, I'll also be looking for buy setups because CAD JPY is also inversely correlated to JPY-X. Now, with CAD JPY, we can actually see that prices also already created a higher high above these highs, as prices created that higher high, and then prices created a higher low above these lows. So obviously it's already in a minor, uptrend. But still, even with CAR JPY, I'm still not going to be looking for any buys until prices break above here, give us a retest, and then we get that final pump up there. Now, we do have USD JPY, which is also another JPYX driven pair that's inversely correlated to JPYX. I have to apologize. It looks like the network is kind of slow today. Now, with this one, you can see prices have already broken above here, as we had a low, we had a high, lower high, higher low, higher high, broke above the structure. So with this one, I'm already very clear. The structure is already clear. So I'll just be looking for entries on the lower time frame to swing until my first targets are met right there. So with USD JPY, prices have already presented, structure is already clear. So I'll be looking for setups in USD JPY in this particular week. Now we do have another index that I always look at. It's DXY, or the US dollar currency pair. Now the US dollar currency pair, as you can see, it's crazy bullish. And even if you look at it from a monthly perspective, prices have broken above this minor structure here. It's a major structure, actually. Major monthly structure. So obviously I'll be looking for a retrace and then prices to pump all the way up there. Ain't no stopping DXY, guys. Ain't no stopping it. So when you come back to the daily, it's obvious that I'll be looking for buy setups on the lower time frames. So obviously I'll be looking for some kind of a retracement, some kind of a minor retracement before you look for bigger continuation moves. So that's my view on DXY. Now, how will this be impacting the other currency pairs such as Euro USD, which is inversely correlated to DXY? So with Euro USD, since DXY will be buying Euro USD, I'll be looking for sell setups. And as you can see, prices have been breaking lower lows. So I'll be looking for some kind of a retracement there and a bearish continuation. GU, same thing. It's inversely correlated. And as you can see, structures have already been broken. I actually like the US dollar setups better than the JPYX setups this month, as they are more clear, more structured, and better looking. So I'll be focusing more on the US dollar pair than the JPYX. Now, our final pair that I have on my watch list is gold. And as you can see, gold right now, it's kind of ranging. What I'm looking for is prices to break either high or low. So should prices break below here, I'll be looking for them to tap down there. And should prices break above here, I might be expecting to see prices create new higher highs. So with gold, I'm waiting for prices to either break above or below first before I actually even make my decision on where it's going to be heading. So with that being said, guys, I hope you found value in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, share with a few friends. Let us grow together, and let's have a great trading week. With that being said, guys, let's have a killer week. Let's have a killer month. Let's have a killer year. I appreciate you guys. Cheers.